Muskegon County Trail Riders Association White Pine Equestrian Trail is located on the Muskegon County Wastewater Management Site. Access to the staging area, parking area is off Hall Road. Take Apple Avenue, M46, to Maple Island Road and go north to Hall Road and east to the trailhead. The trailhead is a large, flat, open area with plenty space to turn around and park. The trail system is fairly new. The MCTRA has done a great job of developing these trails. The trails are fairly well marked. New trails are being created, and it is an ongoing process. The trails consist of 2 tracks and cleared tracks through the wooded areas. All the trails have been cleared nicely. You are not forced to spend your riding time ducking and diving. The area is basically flat with little elevation change. We think we rode all the trails and it took us approximately 3 hours to do so. Nice job, MCTRA. You are to be congratulated. If you like videos that relate to the horse world and would like to say thank you, click the like button below and subscribe. It's all free. Thank you so much for watching.